Great. So see this battery health here. It says 100%, but it is a lie. I'm Majesty, and I'll show you what Apple doesn't want you to see. At this point, I want you to subscribe to the channel as I show you how to save your battery health. Great. So your battery health is not your vehicle fuel gauge. It measures two things. It is an algorithm that measures only two things. The first thing is max capacity plus peak performance capability. It does not measure heat damage, micro short event, or voltage sag under load. Example, this iPhone 14 Pro coconut battery says 94% design capacity. iOS says 100%. Why? Because Apple has 6% of wear, so that you don't panic. They call it calibration buffer. But after iOS 27, they changed the algorithm. Now it completely hides thermal damages. In addition, the first thing we are checking today is iOS 27 versus your battery health, the heat problems. Okay, so iOS 27 pushes the A19 Pro plus the A17 and the M4 harder, more AI, more background processing, more heat problems. iPhone 15 Pro through iPhone 17 uses aluminum battery casing to stop swelling. Follow me carefully and you will understand what I'm about to show you here. iPhone 15 Pro through to iPhone uses aluminum battery casing to stop swelling. That is where the problem actually starts from, which means your battery is now a heatsink for the chip. Your battery is now serving as a heatsink for the A17, the A18 chips that iPhone just put on their new model phones. Every time it hits 40 degrees, you get lithium plating that permanently get damaged, but your battery health stays the same. It does not drop. The aluminum casing is 0.2 millimeters from light traces. One drop bend the frame. The case touches and thermal runaway happens. Your BH still stays 97% while the cell is cooking. I will explain that to you very soon. Smash that like button and click on the subscription button below to join the family as I show you a real way to check your battery health. Great, so don't trust your settings. Do this instead. On your MacBook, go to your coconut battery. Free show design capacity versus full charge capacity. If it is below 90% and iOS says 100%, Apple is lying directly to you. Okay, so you go to analytics file, settings, privacy, analytics data, then you set log aggregated. Look for com.apple power battery. You will see a maximum FCC and a normalized charge capacity. Do the math for yourself and then you will see the real truth over there. This iPhone says 100% battery health. Coconut says 91%. Analytics says 89%. It already logs 11% and the owner has no idea what is going on. Now, what I want you to know is Android 17, that's it right. Android 17 added battery forensics. You go to settings, you go to battery, diagnostic, it shows cycle count, attempt history, voltage graphs, and micro short events. If your phone hit 45 degrees, it locks it. If the voltage sags, it warns you. No hiding at all. It gives you everything just as it is. At this point, I want you to subscribe to the channel as I show you how to save your battery health. These are 3 simple rules you should follow if you want to save your battery health. Now, stay under 35 degrees, no gaming whilst charging, no iOS 27 AI features in the hot sunlight. That's rule number 1. Rule number 2, charge to 80%. iOS 27 adaptive charging 2.0 help, but turn on 80% limit for yourself to stay in the safe zone. The third rule is check your coconut battery monthly. If Apple says 100% and you are at 92, back up your files. Your phone is gonna drop fast at any moment. I'm Majesty from Majesty Computers. We replace iPhone batteries daily. Most are under 2 years old. All of them says 100% battery health 3 months ago. Comment below your iOS version plus your battery health below. I'll tell you if you are in danger. Subscribe to Majesty Computers. iPhone 17 8 year down drops. I get you one very soon.